What's my battery like? Everything's good?
Yeah, everything's good. Battery's good. I had 63% high. So we can like, in a little bit, like we can put the smoke break and charge.
What's your website and what's your handle?
We don't have a website for manufacturers.
Okay.
So we sell to wholesaler and distributors.
Okay, and how would they get a hold of you?
They give us their information and we contact them.
You'll talk to them, they won't talk to you. I see.
They can talk to us.
We're filming every booth, every product at the trade show. We're putting it on YouTube.
Nice.
Yeah, awesome. And what was your name?
Joelle.
Well, thank you very much. Hello. Good. What's the website and what's your handle?
Maya Novelties, right? Maya Toys.
What's the website and handle?
It's mayatoys.com.
Mayatoys.com. We're filming every booth and every product here at the show and putting it on YouTube.
Awesome. Cool.
Yeah.
So this might be good for you. This is the Vaporator. It's the world's first smokable vibrator.
Smokable vibrator.
Basically fits any 510 thread battery. Fits any 510 thread cartridge. The bottom half is a vibrator.
Okay.
You have 25 different vibration settings, and then the top is basically modeled after Puffco. You have 5 times on, 5 times off. Preheat, change the temperatures.
Right on. Smoke them if you got them.
It's the ultimate pleasure product.
Right on. Awesome. And what was your name?
Zach.
And you?
Annalie.
Annalie. Thank you.
Thank you. Have a good show, guys.
What's up?
How you doing?
Pretty good. What's your website and what's your handle? Well, he's just filming the products. Well, what's the website?
Woodrocket.com.
Woodrocket.com.
Sorry.
It's all good. It's all good.
Real fucked up.
It's all good. Yeah, I got the website. That's why you work one of these booths. Do you want me to? Yeah, just go in there. Go in there. I'll get it right now.
Are you going to get the audio?
Yeah, right now. From in the back. What's the website?
Like a Kitten LLC.
Like a Kitten LLC? Is that like .com? Okay. Thank you. It's all good. Yeah. Hello. We're filming. Pretty good. We're filming every booth and every product here at the show. What's the website and what's your handle?
So this is Swiss Navy. We're all lubricants and sexual enhancement pills and our brand new shot. And we're Love Live Lube.
Okay. And
visit us at SwissNavy.com.
SwissNavy.com. And what was your name?
My name is Janet.
Right on, Janet. Thank you. Yep. Yeah. Pretty good. What's your website and what's your handle?
Nowpack.com.
Nowpack.com. We're filming every booth and every product here at the show, and we're putting it on YouTube.
All right. She's going to be more of the person out. Kelsey.
Well, that was, I mean...
She knows it better than I do. I just started.
I just wanted general contact info. Hello. Hi. We're filming every booth and every product, and we're putting it on YouTube for CHAMPS.
Okay, excellent.
Yeah. Awesome. So, I mean,
Do you need information from us?
well, I just, what's the website and what's the handle?
Yeah, so we are Nowpack. Our website is nowpack.com, NALPAC.com. And we are the oldest adult distributor in the U.S. We've been around since 1971. We actually started in smoke, and now we're back to smoke, so we're full circle in the industry right now.
Awesome. And who am I speaking with?
Kelsey, I'm the director of sales.
Awesome. Thank you very much. What's the website and what's your handle?
Well, you're probably best to ask the twins. They're more important than me. I'm just
More
from the
important?
UK. Yeah.
Oh, no, don't say that.
I'm just helping.
What's the weirdest thing you've ever eaten?
Probably, for me, calamari.
That's weird for you.
Yeah, I don't like stuff like that.
It wasn't good?
Yeah, I'm not a big, like, slimy seafood fan.
Rubbery kind of thing?
No, not for me. I'm more of like a prawns or like a lobster.
Okay, I ain't mad at that.
Yeah.
And what was your name?
Lux.
Lux.
Yeah.
Awesome. Nice to meet
Nice
you.
to meet you.
She said they'd have the info about the website.
All right, you want to get that?
Yeah. What's the website?
Treehouse.com.
Treehouse.com?
Treehouse.com, yes.
And what's the handle?
At The Real Treehouse with one E.
Awesome. Thank you.
Yeah.
That's not what I was getting at. What up? What's the website and what's your handle?
Futurola USA, I'm pretty sure, and my name's Antonio.
Right on, man. We're filming every booth and every product here at Champs, putting it on YouTube. Right on. Right on. What makes them? Yeah, what makes them the best?
What makes us the best?
Futurola.
Just the best in the market, best in the industry. You know, it's a class act all around.
Right on, homie. Appreciate you. What's your website and what's your handle?
Honeybeeherb.com and honeybee_herb710 on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube.
Awesome. We're filming every booth, every product here at the trade show, and we're putting it on YouTube.
Awesome.
Yeah. So what was your name?
Brittany.
Brittany, thank you.
You're welcome. Nice to meet you.
You as well. Yeah. I'll throw it in. What's the website and what's your handle?
I don't know.
You don't know the website?
No.
Is it on their
I
page?
just work here. You want a free hat for your trouble?
Sure, I'll take a free hat. What's the weirdest thing you've ever eaten?
Alligator.
Alligator, was it good?
Yeah. Really
It was
good.
dank?
It was in Tennessee.
Tennessee.
Yeah, we're at the pyramid.
Okay.
Yeah.
Right on.
Yeah.
Awesome.
Yeah, where are you from?
Arizona.
Okay.
Yeah, we're filming every booth, every product here at Champs, and we're putting it on YouTube.
Nice.
Yeah. Yeah.
Interesting speaker.
It's a microphone, yeah.
Yeah, that.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's weird.
You're great.
He was actually.
Oh yeah, what was your name?
I'm Claire.
Claire. Nice to meet you. Thank you. Yeah, what's the website? What's your handle?
We like this is our new product. We call it Smart Way because you can easily to connect with your smartphone.
Okay.
So basically, like when you connect with your smartphone, you can pick up the phone with the device. I can show you.没连上，我打你，没连上，没连上，我没连上。你再打我一下。No, it's not. Like when you connect with the, just give me 1 second. Yeah, I
use. There he goes.
So when I call him, when I call him, you can just easily to pick up the phone with the device.
You can answer?
Yeah, you can answer it.
Answer it.
Yeah, just press it, and I can talk to you.
What's up?
Hey,
Ni hao ma. Yeah. Let's go. Right on.
Yeah, and basically like we have like plenty of different themes.
Yeah.
It's on our app.
All right.
So it's not like just a wallpaper. It's flashing. It's all for the young generation.
Super cool.
Yeah.
And where do they get it on the internet?
Unishow.
Unishow.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Unishow is our only master distributor.
Okay.
So basically, they carry our product. So if you want to place an order, just visit the Unishow website.
Okay.
It's easy to make an order.
Awesome. Appreciate you.
Nice meeting you.
What was your name?
Call me Charles.
Charles. Right on, Charles. Thank you.
Nice meeting you.
You as well. How it is. What's your website and what's your handle?
Website?
Yeah.
Last wave. LOSTVAPE.com. Yeah.
Right on, man. We're filming every booth, every product at Champs, and we're putting it on YouTube.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome. What was your name?
George.
George?
Yes.
Thank you. Thank you. What's the website and what's your handle?
We're doing Nextas.
Nexa is a website?
Yes, website. www.nexa.com.
Nexa.com.
Yeah.
We're filming every booth and every product at the trade show and putting it on YouTube.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah.
You want me to do anything for you or?
No, I mean, what's the best?
What's the best?
Sell it, you pay us, and you order more.
Give me a second, all right? I'll find one.
Pick it. Gotta check them all to see which one works. Right Right on. It's all good. What was your name?
Troy. My name is Troy.
Troy.
Yeah. Anyway,
Awesome.
this is our latest product. So we call it like Next Pro, 30k puffs, and it has like four meshes, 4 coils inside. So basically, and touch screen as well. Tap it twice, so change the mode.
Okay.
The highest our power output is 35 watts, and lowest is 25 watts.
Okay.
So this device you can do the DTL. So basically you can have like more cloud, a bigger cloud than the others. Okay. I mean, yeah, compared to others disposables.
It's better.
Yeah.
Right on.
And I think it's the highest battery capacity we have. It's 900 million hours.
Right on.
Yeah.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Thank you.
All right.
Yeah.
I think that's all.
Yeah. No, it's good. Yeah. It seems like a lot of people here aren't prepared for people to be walking through asking questions. Okay. What's your website? What's your website and what's your handle?
It's JNR. Our brand is JNR.
Okay.
Yeah.
We're doing every booth, every product here at the trade show, and we're putting it on YouTube.
Yeah, here, only here. This is number one. It's very famous in the shisha hookah.
Okay.
It's very good, nice taste. And the second is our the shisha box. Also, it's very nice in American. And the third one is right now we can make the mobile phone call from this one to the mobile phone call. Here, you can make a
super dope, man.
You see
all the options. Right on.
Yeah, many options. You can play the music. You can play the phone call, connect your mobile and app store. You can direct a call.
Awesome.
Yeah, this is the answer.
That's cool. Super cool.
Yeah, also you can play the music. You see, connect your phone, you can play the music.
Oh, okay.
Yes, new device.
That's nice.
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah. Thank you.
What was your name?
My name is Dragon.
Dragon.
Yeah.
Let's go. Nice to meet
Thank
you.
you.
Yeah, thank you. Hello. Good. How are you? What's your website and what's the handle?
So, we are promoting this amazing device, AirFast. We carry many different brands. In Unishow, we have best prices. So this device, you can connect with the phone via Bluetooth, and then you can make a phone calls, you can listen to music, you can send messages, you can even upload your picture on the screen if you want to. So it's a very cool device to play with. Yeah.
We're filming every booth, every product at the trade show. We're putting it on YouTube.
Amazing.
Yeah.
Okay.
What was your name?
Irina.
Irina.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Thank you.
Have a nice day and let me know how I can see that.
Yeah, he'll tell you right now how you can see it. Yeah.
Great. What's the... Okay. So I get to scan it. You're welcome.
What's the website and what's your handle?
Send money, O's a 0 on Instagram. Website is imghost.com.
Awesome. We're filming every booth, every product here at CHAMPS, and we're putting it on YouTube.
I want to shout out everybody listening. Take a deep breath and remember that all of our time is limited. Be grateful for every moment.
All right. Appreciate you, dog. That's our YouTube. All right, I need a tissue, I think.